Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one from China. I have absolutely no clue what this is. I got this new shirt, and I really wanted to try the green screen shirt today. So, yeah, you'll get to see that in a minute, but I've taken all the pictures and all that stuff, so it'll be evident in the title of what this is. But yeah, it should be interesting. But yeah, I guess we should try out the green screen t-shirt. I shot a video of the background behind me without me in the foreground. So let's just do that. There you go. That wasn't a very loud snap. I don't know. Could have been a louder snap. The only downside with doing green screens kind of stuff like this is if there's anything else in the vicinity that's green, it's just not going to work out very well. Also, once I move the camera from the exact spot it's in right now, it's just not going to work right. So, there is a powder. Here's maybe we have a fill line. I think. A bunch of this. I don't know what this is. Yeah, I also just did an unboxing video wearing this shirt, but I don't think that's going to work out very well. It could. I did shoot some video before it, so I might be see-through in that too. I don't know, it's weird. Why do you want to be see-through, Ramen Raider guy? Well, you know, it's kind of cool, right? I know this is going to go for 4 minutes. That much I know. There's a liquid. I'm guessing that this is gonna just be like a mala spicy thing. I really have no... It's definitely got black vinegar going on. I'm looking for a fill line. I'm not seeing one. Maybe there's one on the side here. Sometimes they do that. No. But on one side, it's got her, and on the other side, it's got this guy. So, your guess is as good as mine, folks. So I'm gonna fill it up to there. That seems like a logical fill line. And 4 minutes. Okay, this is peanuts. That'll go in at the end. It also comes with a wonderful folding fork. But yeah. And here's a fork. Yeah, this seems like an interesting thing to do. So that's why I'm doing it. I like things that I find interesting. Yeah. But yeah, I guess if I just put my arms down, you just got a floating head. That's kind of weird. I'm really curious if this is going to work at all because of the lighting situation in here. Shadows and stuff make chroma not work so well. And lighting is a very important thing when it comes to that too. I'm also curious, well, the flowers have green on them, but there's going to be a background with the flowers there already, so yeah, I don't know. But I'll just float around a little bit. Yeah. I don't know. This will be my fourth video, or my fifth video I've done today, but my fourth instant noodle recipe time episode, which will bring us up to what, 4973. Is that right? Yeah. And I think that should be episode 2156. I don't know. 2166. Pretty sure this will come out August 16th, and it's March 28th right now. So we will see what happens. They also had, this was a cheap shirt. This was like 13 bucks. So it fits amazingly well. It's a Hanes Eco Smart shirt. I guess it's good for the economy. The environment. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll have to do an intro or outro of like me going like that. I don't know. It'll be interesting. It's what kind of noodle is this? That looks like a mung bean thread or a sweet potato thread. Yeah. I wonder if I go like this. It might look kind of weird. But yeah, we'll give it a try. What do we got? 31 seconds. And a messy stove that I need to clean, which I don't mind doing at all. Okay, I need a spoon. I don't think this is going to be one that I'm particularly fond of, but it's worth a shot. It'll be kind of quick. Alright. Put you up there. Okay, don't get any of this crap on my nice shirt. Alright. Oh no, I ruined it. That won't work. It was worth a shot. No, nothing on the Wonder shirt. Cool. Certainly felt like I got a little something on the Wonder shirt. All right. Whoa. As the people on the wacky, what do you call them? YouTube videos my daughter is so interested in while she's home not feeling well. This is cray cray. Let's add the peanuts. Wow, this stove is a freaking pigsty. Not the food on it, but the it's just a big mess. I like how in a lot of Chinese varieties they add the peanuts. Those are a nice touch. A little sesame seed. And a little scallion. And I think that's going to call it a day on this one. Is it really good? It's not bad, but I mean, it's really nothing exceptionally wonderful. It reminds me of most of the varieties that I've had from China. At least the little weird, odd cup bowl thing deals. And words, face, salad. Alright, well that was fun. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye-bye.